Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, very warm welcome, and if you are number lovely subscribers, always come back. Thank you so much for coming back. I've just realised I've got no earrings in, but I can't be bothered to go and get any. Never mind. So today's video is a Poundland haul. I popped in there quickly because I needed some washing up gloves and stuff like that, and as always thought I'd share what I got. I was walking around and I was actually wondering when they're going to change the name, because technically it's not Poundland anymore, because there are so many £2, £3, £5 clothes, freezer food. Like, it's not Poundland. Like, how can you call it Poundland? Anyway, that's neither here or there, so I will just jump right in with the bits. I'll go with the boring bits first, as always. So I got some Grindbuster kitchen roll. This was £1, thankfully. Some cotton wool pads. I always like to get the oval ones because I notice I use less of them. When I get the small round ones, I end up using more than one. I just took off some black nail varnish, so I've already opened them, but they were £1 also. I then picked up 9 toilet rolls for £2. I normally get mine from Farm Foods, but I was in Poundland, so I thought, why not? That's almost all the boring stuff. I got some greaseproof paper, £1. Not one, not two, but 3 packs of spicy flaming hot What's-Its, because the kids love them. These are £1.25. I don't know if these are on a bit of a craze at the moment, but they used to be £1 in the pound shop and £1 in Iceland, and now you go into Tesco's, I think they're about £1.50 each. Maybe that might even be an offer, and Poundland have put them up to £1.25. So yeah, flaming hot What's-Its, the kids absolutely love them. Got 3 sets of puppy treats for Ralphie because he's out of treats. Every day he's literally up at the dishwasher barking, and I'm like, Ralph, there's no treats up there, we've finished. And he's just like, bark, bark, bark. And I'm like, there's no treats, stop barking. I ran out of Zaflora, so I thought I would get some more, but they only had Linen Fresh. So they had Fabulosa, is that what you call it? But I'm not really keen on that. I don't really like the smells too much, but I picked up this. I normally like to use the Astonish descaler and sometimes a spray as well, but this is their version of, I guess, Zaflora. So it's a concentrated disinfectant just like Zaflora. This is the Tropical Breeze one, makes up to 20 litres, and it's a 500 litre bottle, so this was only £2, and it smells quite nice. It actually smells a bit like juice. Yeah, it smells nice. So yeah, this is a Tropical Breeze one. I thought that would be good. It's vegan and it's got essential oils in it too. My next cleaning thing, I thought this was really good, like especially for £2. Like I said, have I showed you anything that's £1 yet? So yeah, this I thought was so good. So it's just a pink Dishmatic. Now, I've actually never had one of these before. I remember my sister used to have one many years ago, but I've never had one personally myself. But when I saw this for £2, I thought that's such a good bargain, because it comes with the Dishmatic, an extra refill pad, and a bottle of washing up liquid. I thought that was just really, really good. Even when I got to the till, the manager was like, £2 for that, that's so good. So I thought this was a good buy. I'm going to try give it a go, but I kind of just like washing with my hands. Like, I don't know if this, I don't know. Who uses the Dishmatic? Do you think it's good? Either way, £2 is definitely worth a try. Next, I picked up some sandwich bags. Now, this is 60 children's sandwich bags. I usually just get the ones that you press or you zip up, but I saw this and I had my daughter with me and she was like, oh, I want to get the one with animals. So I was like, okay, then let's get this one. It says they come with fun animal stickers as well. On the back, I was reading it, it also says it doubles up as party bags. So if anybody is looking for the party bag version, then you can double these up. Let's see what they look like. I don't know if they're like a different colour or anything. Yellow. Okay, so they're literally just a kind of square yellow bag with, and these are your stickers. Oh my god, I'm ripping the box. They're nothing fancy, but they will definitely keep the kids entertained, I guess, like a little sticker on their packed lunch bag. Saying that, do I have time in the morning when I'm flapping around to stick stickers on packed lunch bags? I don't know. Next, I wanted some cotton buds, and I was like scanning the aisles going, where are the cotton buds? Where are the cotton buds? I normally get Johnson's ones. Didn't realise they were cotton buds because they've put it in a cow. I mean, again, for a kid, that's pretty entertaining. A little cow pot with 300 cotton buds in there. Yeah, I like Johnson's ones because they're a bit thicker, but I mean, these will do the job equally. So yeah, that's a cute little pot though. Next, I picked up some hand wash. This is the Love Hearts flavour, and it's £1. Flavour, smell, scent, Love Hearts scent. So they have a cute new bathroom range out. You know, like the little soap dispenser, dish, bin, all that type of stuff. And it's like a, I thought from the picture it was going to be pottery, but it's actually plastic. So it's white with bamboo base and lids on it. I'll just show you a closer look there, so you can see like the little bamboo look going along the bottom, and then you've got the white plastic bit, and then you've got your silver little dispenser. £1. Then you've got the matching little Trinket Pots. Now, I only picked up one of these, but I should have picked up more than one. That's the lid. These are always good for like your little cotton wool pads, cotton wool balls, cotton buds, all that type of stuff you can put in these. So I picked up one of these, but I should have probably got 2 just to sit them on the shelf. So you've got the soap dispenser, little trinket pot, then you've got a lovely little soap dish too. So it's just this oval one with the little grid place in there, and then again the little bamboo base on it. And this again was £1. So I just picked up these 3, but they actually had the little matching toilet brush holder. That was okay, that was £3, but I felt it was a little bit thin and small, so I left that. The hole for the brush, it doesn't come with the brush, and the hole for the brush was only thin, so I was like, I'll leave that. And then they had the bin for £6, but I don't really use a bathroom bin because my bedroom's literally right next to the bathroom, so I didn't see the point in getting that. But no, these 3 little products here, I thought they were super cute, super stylish, and £1 each. Like, you definitely can't go wrong. Next up, I was thinking of, now we're allowed people back in the house, I picked up 2 cute little wine glasses. Don't know what I thought I saw there. I think I thought I saw a spider. I picked up 2 cute little wine glasses. These ones have these cute little gold hearts going all along them, and I just thought that made for a really nice little relaxed, fun, girly evening vibe. So I thought, instead of getting like the formal wine glasses out, grab these because they're cute, they're fun. They need a clean. They feel all like really dusty and that. I'm going to assume once I clean them they're going to look a little bit more clear than they do now. But £1 each, you can't go wrong. And I just thought it was like a nice little setup, you know, something fun. Get yourself a takeout, have a little drink in them. Yeah, I thought it was nice. Next up, I was down the what do you call that aisle, the little garden and outdoor springy aisle. Oh my god, they've got so much bits for kids, like literally so many bits for kids. I do want to go pick up some more in case we have like a park day or anything like that. But I did see this and I thought, let me grab this, because honestly, I don't know about you, but if you have kids and you have bubbles, all they want you to do is blow the bubbles all day long. So I saw this little bubble machine. Now this bubble machine was only £2. I thought for £2 you definitely cannot go wrong in trying it out. So it says it needs 3 AA batteries, which again isn't bad, and you just obviously pop your bubble mixture in there and it blows it out. And honestly, this would keep my kids entertained for ages. Like, we went to Gulliver's Land on the weekend just gone, and at the end of the park, like before it was closing, there was blowing bubbles and we couldn't get the kids out of the park. They just wanted to stay there and pop the bubbles. So I thought £2 little bubble machine, that is like absolutely great. It's not going to be too heavy use as well, like creating too much liquid, so it's perfect for indoor use as well. So yeah, I thought that was definitely a great buy. Next up, I've been wanting one of these for a while because my mop bucket is stored in the cupboard, and it's that cupboard that you never want to go into. That's the cupboard it's in. So sometimes like the floor needs a mop and I'm like, oh, do I really want the cupboard to fall on me? No, not really. So I've been wanting one of these for a while. It's one of these flash mops. This, again, like I said, Poundland, no, this was £10, but I don't know, I thought it might be. Do you think it's worth it? Actually, I don't even know now. Does anybody else have one of these? So you can see the picture there. It's literally just a flat mop that you pop on, and these are the disposable little pads that you put on them. This one here comes with 6 pads included in it, and then you can buy the refill packs from Poundland also. Poundland also do the refill boxes, so you get a pack of 12 for £3. So I thought, when I thought about it, I was like, that's not too bad. Like, £3, 12, you're going to get like a good, you know, 12 washes. Well, I hope, actually, you might have to change it. I've only got a small kitchen, so yeah, you should get like a good 12 washes out of that. That's not that bad. So I'm hoping that this would just obviously be a lot more easy to just pop this out than it is to get the mop bucket out, fill it out, all that stuff. So yeah, I will let you know how this is. You obviously just pop on one wipe, do a wash over, and then you just unclip it and throw it in the bin. And then last but not least, I picked up these Macrame Cushions. Now I saw these and I was like, still £5. Like, I'm sorry, that's so much better than some of B&M's cushions. £5. You have got the tassels going along here. You've obviously got the macrame like design going on, and I just thought these were so good. They had them in the nude colour as well. They had them in the beige colour as well. I really wanted the beige ones, but my sofa is black and grey, so I didn't really think I could get away with getting the beige ones, and I really wanted to redecorate, but the sofa will still be black and grey, so I had to go for grey. But either way, the grey is equally as nice. So I picked up 2 of them. I actually think I might even go back and get like another 2, because I've got an L-shaped sofa and I put them on them and they just look so small. So I don't know if I probably need some more. But yeah, I just thought these were absolutely lovely. They feel really good quality as well. And they were £5. What a bargain. So that is everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if you've heard the chair squeaking the whole time. It's only just come to my attention. That's quite annoying, isn't it? But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then do please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And if you haven't already, then hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. But until the next video, oh, and as always, if you have any video suggestions at all, let me know in the comment box down below and I'll be sure to try and do them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Till the next video, take care, guys. Bye.